My name is Varshit and now we are going to discuss about the virtual write queue coordinating DRAM and last will cache policies. And now we are going to discuss the topics memory terminology, memory wall, implications, the virtual write queue, memory write back evolution, the physical write queue, address mapping, cache cleaner, read or write priority in scheduler. Memory terminology, and it has multi-core CMP. CMP stands for chip level multiprocessing, and it integrates two or more independent cores into a single package composed of a single integrated circuit and shared cache and memory subsystem. Terminology, it has channel or rank or chip or bank. Area of focus, improving scheduling of memory interface in many light of many cores combined with DRAM technology. Memory wall. Traditional concern is read latency and fixed at 26 ns. Beyond latency, many parameters are limiters to efficient utilization. Data bus frequency or 2x each DDRX generation. DDR has 200 to 400 frequency and DDR2 is 400 to 1066 frequency and DDR3 is 800 to 1600 frequency. But internal latency is constant. Fixed latency. Bank precharge is 50 ns and several operations and 1066 megahertz, and write read operation has 7.5 ns and 2 operations and 1066 megahertz. And implications: scheduling efficiency, reads critical path to execution and writes decoupled, whereas queuing we need more write buffering, makes the most of each opportunity to execute writes, not read buffering due to late criticality of loads. Grow effective write reordering by an order of magnitude through a two-level structure. Write can only execute out of physical write queue. Keep physical queue full with a good mix of operations. Physical write queue becomes staging ground, covers latency to pull data from the LLC. Cache memory write back evolution. Forced write back. Traditional approach to write back. Eager write back. Decouple cache fill from write back with early eager write back of dirty data. LE, Micro 2000, etc. Schedule write back or proposal. Place write back under the control of the memory scheduler. Filling the physical write queue. Relatively few classes of writes, rank classification, which rank, page mode, quality level, bank conflicts, avoid writes to same bank, different page. Physical write queue content, maintain high quality writes in structure, keep writes to each rank. Address mapping, set address of cache contains all rank selection bits, all bank selection bits, some number of column bits addressed with the DRAM page, cache mapping and DRAM mapping. And cache mapping has cache tag and cache set and block offset, whereas DRAM mapping, DRAM row, DRAM column, bank and block offset. And the cache cleaner, goal is fast, efficient search of large LLC directory based around set state vector, and SSV enables efficient communication of dirty lines to be clean. Cleaner will select line based on current physical write queue contents. Keep full with uniform mix of operations to each DRAM resource. And the cache set, which has the last level cache and uses the virtual write queue to the physical write queue, and it's all processed by a DRAM scheduler. And read write priority in scheduler. Goal: defer write operations as long as possible. Forced write back. Queuing depth is quite limited. Eager write back. Write queue is always full. How do we know when we must execute writes? Virtual write queue. Monitor overall fullness on a per rank basic, much larger effective buffering capabilities. Thank you.